Hello guys, welcome to Guide Glimpse channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use shortcut keyframes and make your video stand out. This is an updated guide. So this is a quick and easy tutorial. Let's get into it. Keyframes in Shotcut are like animation markers. So you set a property's value at specific points in time, which are keyframes, and Shotcut smoothly interpolates between those values. This lets you animate things like position, size, rotation, opacity, filters, and even audio levels. I have this Shotcut logo which I would like to animate using keyframes. So we will learn this practically. And so let's get into it. First of all, just open your Shotcut project or where you want to put in your keyframes. I have mine here, and we will need to import whatever we would like to import. So I will import this logo into my project. So once you have it inside, your logo will now appear in the playlist. Now we need to add the logo to the timeline. Drag the logo clip from the playlist onto a video track on your timeline. You can place it on V1 or on a higher track if you had V2, V3, etc. Depending on whether you want it overlaid on another video or if you want it to be the sole visual at that point. Now let's apply the size, position, filter. This is the primary filter you will use to animate the logo's scale and movement. First, select the logo clip on the timeline here. Now go to Filters panel, as you can see, just click on it. And now click on the plus or add filter button and search for right here and select the size, position, and rotate video filter. It will be added to the selected logo clip. Now using keyframes for scaling, we will start with the scaling first. So now open the keyframes panel, go to view, panels, keyframes, and you have it open here. Now select the size, position, and rotate filter in the filters panel. The keyframes panel will now show the properties of this filter that can be animated. You can see we can animate the size, we can animate the position, rotation, and even center. Move your playhead to the beginning of the logo clip on the timeline right here. In the filters panel, adjust the size parameter to your desired starting size. If you want it to be smaller than the way it is, I'll just leave it default. You can do so right here. And now in the keyframe panel, click the add keyframe button, which is this cycle icon next to the size property. A keyframe marker will appear at the beginning of the clip, as you can just see. Now to set the ending, scale, and adding another keyframe, we will move the playhead to a later point in time on the timeline where you want the scaling animation to end. Now in the filters panel, adjust the size parameter to your desired ending size. I'll make it larger, but you can make it smaller as well. And a second keyframe will be added, and you can see it appears here. Now let's just preview by playing this section of the video, and you can see the logo smoothly scales up between the two sizes, the two keyframes. Now let's adjust the timing and interpolation. You can drag the keyframe markers in the keyframe panel to change the speed. If you want it to scale faster, you can move them closer to each other. And you can also change the keyframe mode to linear, smooth, ease in, ease out, spring to control the acceleration and deceleration of the scaling. You can do the same for rotation. You can also do the same for opacity, and just don't hesitate to experiment with different keyframe modes and adjust the bezier handles for smooth and easing modes in the keyframe panel to fine-tune the animation's feel and make your logo even stand out. Yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful, then please leave a like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this.